Hello guys, in this video we will try duplicate detection in Visual Studio C#. Service bus identifies that the two messages are duplicate if the message ID of both the messages is same. Service bus does not check the contents of the message to decide if they are duplicate. So we are in Azure portal and we have opened this queue, that is test queue, and if you see this queue 0, that means there are no messages in this queue. Now we are in Visual Studio. I have created this console app, that is service bus sender. We are in program.cs file. Then we have installed the required NuGet package. Then we have this connection string, queue name, service bus client, service bus sender. So I guess now guys we are well aware about this. Okay, and now the highlighted code here. Let us first create two messages with the same contents, but we will not specify any message ID. So the message content is message returned twice. So we have created message 1, message 2 with the same contents, and we are trying to send these two messages to the queue. Now with this code, as we have not specified the same message ID, or rather no message ID, two separate messages should be returned to the queue. Okay, and now this highlighted code, again we have created two messages with same contents but same message ID as well. So the content is message returned only once. So again we created message 3 and message 4, but to message 3 and message 4 we specified this same message ID as well. And then we are finally trying to send message 3 and message 4 to the service bus queue. Okay, and finally we have added a debugger on line number 36. Okay, now with this code, here two messages should be written and here only one message should be written. So let's run our program and let's cross check that. So I will say run. So our debugger has been hit. That means total 3 messages must have been written to the queue. So let's go to this, see Q3, and then I will say pick from start, and see first two messages are with same contents, but the third message, okay, though we send this third message 2 times, but as we specified the same message ID, it has been written only once in the service bus queue. Okay, so thank you guys.